This is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the Govee RGBIC TV light bulb. It's the side of the bulb, top, bottom, the back of the box. Additionally, when you're pairing this up to your Govee application, it is the model H6046. Kind of see. That information. Alright, let's open this up, see what's inside. Open this up. User manual. All the different buttons. Controllers, how to pair your device. Customer service, FCC, troubleshooting. The dream view. All the different dream view boxes. Join Govee Home. All the social stuff. So these are the let's say vertical stands. Right, so it clips in, standing vertical. Two of those, one for each. We've got the horizontal stands. I don't know if I showed this. This is the vertical. It's just got a little bit of resistant plastic on it. But for the horizontal, it's got adhesive on it, so you could stick it to the ceiling or something like that, or bottom, and then you can adjust it. Two of those. With the power, we've got the power. Filler. This is the controller. Also has a sticky USB-C and the power for this. And then for the main event, we've got the two bars themselves. Just a thing to note, they are attached together. So you have some limited space on how far apart they can be. This plugs into the controller in that USB-C slot. And those are just fillers. Get rid of the box. Plug in this device. Go here. Woohoo! And again, so we have a little plug, right? That would hold it up like that, and then these slot into the side. So you could have some like this. Once you plug that into your account, you can link it up to Google or Alexa, and they can control these through your app, and it's wonderful. These, when they're in like their rainbow mode, it almost looks like it's daylight inside. It's pretty cool. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate that. Let us know what you'd like us to unbox next, and have a great day.